Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up an SMTP Sender account. So one of the best tools that I'm using for SMTP is going to be Hubspot because it offers automated workflows and being a beginner friendly really helps out. Now to get started, you want to head over to your Hubspot account, and from here you simply want to navigate through your marketing section. It's going to be on the toolboxes right here. Once inside marketing, click on email, and from here you simply want to click on the create email option. In my case, I'm going to be selecting the regular method, and then we have the ability to choose our template. So let's select the most simplest one, which is an e-commerce welcome. From here, to simply send or set up your SMTP account, you can just click on the send to option. In here, you have the ability to click on the send to button, and then we have to select our contacts sending. So if you want to send it to individual contacts, you can just do so. You want to select multiple individual contacts and you should be good to go. But if you want to send it to your customers, the unsubscribed customers and the newsletter subscribers, you can simply select all of them. And as you can see, we have the send to with the individual emails, all of our customers, unsubscribe, and the newsletter subscribers. So with this setup, we're able to send a lot of emails to our customers in a few short steps. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this.